And today we're taking a look at the Harbor Freight cement mixer. We're not going to review the actual machine or assemble it. We're just going to test it out and show how we mix some concrete on it. And we got this for around $157 in Memorial Day weekend with the 25% off coupon. It usually goes for $209.99 and you can see it a lot of times for $174 or $179.99. And this would be the bigger one of the two that Harbor Freight sells. The other one is red and it only mixes 1 1/4 cubic feet of cement, and this one is orange and it can mix up to 3.5 cubic feet. It works with 120 volts, so you don't need a 220 outlet. It's 10.7 amps, 36 RPM. It's about 118 pounds, but with the wheels is easy to move around. We're going to leave a link on the description of the video and anything used on the video as well. And today we're mixing two 80-pound bags of concrete, 4,000 psi. It's a Sakrete high strength concrete mix with a setting time of 8 hours. This mix uses 3.3 to 3.7 liters of water. We're doing a wetter mix today, so we're going for the 3.7. It's about 95 degrees and sunny. What we like to do is place 60% of the water on the mixer first. Then we place the first 80-pound bag on the mixer. We let it mix and then tilt it to a 40 or 50 degree angle, which are the first notches on the tilting bar. Once it gets going and we notice that any cement is getting stuck at the bottom, we go ahead and tilt it to 10 to 20 degrees, which is almost horizontal. You can always place your wheelbarrow underneath the machine to avoid any splashes. Once we're happy with the very wet mix, then we're ready for the second bag. Now we fill the bucket with the remaining 40%. We dump it on the mixer, flip the switch, tilt it again to the first notch to get it going, and then we start flipping it almost horizontal. This would get everything on the bottom. If you haven't placed your wheelbarrow yet, we go ahead and place it under the cement mixer. According to the home improvement website, 3.7 liters is the way to go. But according to the bag with 3.5 liters, you're set. You can see our mix is a wetter mix, but remember, you're captain. And if you want to make milkshake concrete, that's up to you. Just make sure that anyone helping you out doesn't say, "I am captain now." And now we slowly start tilting the barrel down almost to the last slot. This will slowly empty your cement mixer without a mess and the less effort. As you can see, our mixer is completely empty. We have a wet mix, but not too wet. Depending on your application, you might use less water. Overall, the machine was a slow starter. It seemed to struggle on the first batch, but as we got to the second batch, it started going better and better. After 10 bags, it was working flawlessly. There is a learning curve to get the timing, the right amount of water and cement so it won't stick at the bottom. Overall, 80 bags in, and we could give it 2 thumbs up. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.